Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. One of the biggest questions in email marketing is, what is the best time to send my emails? Well, while there is no best time, you can find out the best time to send the email to your audience using split tests. So we'll start with two identical emails. We're going to send these at different times and see which time our audience is most receptive to our emails. So first we'll click split tests and then create the test. We're going to name this test, and it's just for our own records. Nobody else will see this. We'll name it best time to send. And then we can choose the breakdown of the test. We can do any percentage. We're going to do 50-50 for this one, but we can use that slider to change that percentage. So we'll click to save this. Once we load up our two emails that we already have created, we're going to send one in the morning. We'll choose Friday at 10 a.m. Now these times are Eastern time, but you can change that as well. So this one's scheduled for Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern time. The second, again, duplicate email, we're going to schedule same day on Friday, but we're going to go for 2 p.m. to see if people prefer afternoon emails from us. We'll click apply, and now this is set to be sent on Friday at 2 p.m. So now, half of our audience is going to get an email at 10 a.m. on that Friday, and the other half is going to get the email at 2 p.m. We can check back on this page later to see which email won the split test. So what are you waiting for? Try this out in your account today. And if you don't have an account, wait until the end of this video and click the button to sign up. Until next time.